Hey there guys, I'm just making this quick video because maybe you're thinking about how we can join a squad in game, or let's say like right now I'm in this squad and I want to change it. There is right now no way in beta how we can do it, right? So when I'm going to press escape and I want to click squad and players, it's like you just can't do anything right now. You can just view the profile and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can do it in beta. You can't do anything else right now. So this is how you can't actually join a squad. I hope this video at least helped you that it's like not possible right now. Anyway, have a great day guys and goodbye.